How to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, under the How You Use Instagram tab, you will see the option for time management. Tap on the time management option and then tap on the sleep mode option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for sleep mode, and with this, sleep mode on your Instagram will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off sleep mode on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.